Okay, part 21 is alien DNA. Terrestrial nanobacteria on panspermia theory.com. NASA officially announces alien DNA found in meteorites. That's what it was. And I found a YouTube video about it. ANSMET Antarctic search for meteorites. Allen Hills 84001, commonly abbreviated ALH 84001, is a meteorite that was found in Allen Hills, Antarctica on December 27, 1984 by a team of U.S. meteorite hunters from the ANSMET project. Like other members of the group of CNC, Sugartite, Nuclei, blah blah blah. Okay? I guess this is talking about where we found alien DNA, okay? Compare DNA with the sample to the microbes from Atlantis vent in the Lost City and the Indian Space Research Organization samples from April 29, 2001. See link below. So what I'm saying is this is something that they need to do. Okay. That's what that's for. So what I do is I look up information and then I look and see what you need to do with it. Okay? So you need to compare your DNA with the sample and the microbes from the Atlantis vent in the Lost City and the Indian Space Research Organizations. I want to see if it's the same, from the same alien DNA. In early August, the scientists of NASA Goddard Space Flight Center made an official statement revealing the discovery of building blocks of alien DNA found in meteorites and admitted that life on Earth has an extraterrestrial origin. NASA is saying nothing different from the cosmic panspermia theory, created in the 18th century and largely mentioned by the supporters of the ancient astronaut theory, though NASA scientists have limited discussion to nucleoside-based compounds. And that's on Fox News, building blocks DNA found in meteor. Okay? Discovery of Lost City vent field, University of Washington School of Oceanography. Okay, on April 29, 2001, they presented evidence that the Indian Space Research Organization had gathered air samples from the stratosphere that contained clumps of living cells. Wikimedia called this unambiguous evidence for the presence of clumps of living cells in air samples from as high as 41 kilometers, well above the local tropopause, which is above air. So they're saying that meteors that are coming in from outer space are bringing in DNA on them, and they're here on Earth, and they're actually they actually find that they're living, and they're 3,000 years old. Cool, eh? A reaction report from NASA, and I'll show you that in another video. That's down the road. They didn't think that living cells could be found at such high altitudes, and they're very excited to find out that they do. And this is all about finding extraterrestrial bacteria inside of a meteorite that was estimated to be over 4.5 billion years old. So that's under panspermia theory. And this guy here, Vijay Jyoti Nalan Chandra Wikram Singh, he's a professor, and he was a student and collaborator of Sir Fred Hoyle. Their joint work on the infrared spectra of interstellar grains led to developing the modern theory of panspermia. Now, this is very important because at the time when I did this, I had no idea what spectra was. And now, after watching a video from the SETI Institute where they talk about the infrared spectra of the Kepler solar system, that's how they found the Kepler 22b planet. And I will be covering that and how they do it, and I'll explain to you as I'm learning how it works. I'll show you how that works as well. Now, I should study more about this panspermia, but that's what it's about. Panspermia is in relation to alien DNA.